Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to report police sightings on the Waze app. But before I do that, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So first, what you need to do is open up the Waze app on your mobile device. So once you're here, on the right hand side, you'll see the little orange speech bubble, so tap on that one. And then next, tap on police. And here you can say visible, hidden, or other side. So what you want to do is just tap on the one that's most appropriate. So if you've seen a hidden police car or a hidden police check that's not visible to other people, then you can tap on hidden, then hit on send. And just do the same for the other two. And that's what it takes to report police sightings on Waze on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.